In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove frequently visited websites on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Safari, and as you can see right here it shows us frequently visited websites. Here is a adult website that I visit quite often, however I do not want it displayed here. In this case, if we want to hide that section, all we have to do is just hit right here at edit. If you have a lot of sections here, you may want to scroll down until you find this button at the very bottom. After that, tap on it, and here we need to search for frequently visited. Now guys, all we have to do is just turn it off to hide it from our Safari homepage. That's how it's done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.